cranking out these videos for you guys. Excuse my shirt. I will be having this on in a couple of videos tonight, but if I go in my room and change my clothes, I have a bad feeling that my daughter's gonna wake up, so we're not gonna do that. Anyways, today's video comes courtesy of YS Wigs. This is their beautiful box here. I really love the color. Most companies are scared to play with color when it comes to their packaging. As far as the whole box goes, usually standard white or black. So I like that they did this little pretty blue. Is this periwinkle blue? Is this lavender? I think it's a blue, like a baby blue. So it's called YS Wigs. 100% premium human hair. Show your beauty. Yeah, so let's open it up here. I'm out of breath. So the style number's here, and it's 20 inches in length. Okay, we went with straight 360 lace wig. Bingo! So yeah, this is a 360 lace wig. It's straight. It's 20 inches. Flip it inside out. There is 1, 2, 3 combs in the front. Plenty of lace. That's the thing about 360 lace wigs. I feel like you get a little bit more in the front. You usually get 4 inches. I feel like this is maybe 5. I could be wrong. Maybe it is 4, but we'll see when we put it on. You have lace as well. You have 1 comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps. You also have a good amount of lace back there as well. The lace starts right here and it ends like right here. And then you have the excess lace, of course, that you have to cut off. But you get about this much lace in the back. So if you want to put the hair up into a nice ponytail or a bun and actually see lace, that is what that is about. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and put her on. So I just take and I find wherever I'm going to start. So I just cut down the center and I get as close to the hair as I want. And then once I get close enough to where I want, I just start cutting across. You don't want to really cut straight across. You kind of want to follow a groove that would mimic your natural hairline, because if you cut across, that's kind of how you will definitely be able to, or other people will look at you and they will be able to like see that boxy lace closure. Even if your baby hair and stuff is on top of it, it won't look or blend as natural. This wig off the bat lays super flat, I can already tell, but there is a little bit of excess hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. Because this is a 360 lace wig, I knew the up would work really good with this wig. Laid super flat off the bat. So all I did was I made some baby hair and then I went ahead and put the top into a ponytail. Feel free, if you don't feel like the ponytail or the half up half down is a full enough for you, you can definitely go ahead and take like some old hair and wrap around to make the ponytail thicker. I like it like this because I feel like this is natural. Like if I did a half up half down with my natural hair, this is probably how full it would be. So this makes sense to me to keep it as is. And this is also what it looks like when you wear it down straight back. I really like it. I think because it's a very natural density, you don't have to worry about it being like super big and bulky or like in your face. You can literally just put it on, lay baby hair, do a straight back, and you're good to go. You can flip it to the sides. Good to go. You can do a part. Good to go. Just add a little bit of powder or you can bleach your knots. So this is probably one of the most easy low maintenance wigs you can go with. The only thing is I went in really well with the baby hair, but the downside to that is that I really just butchered my makeup. I'm scared to get closer than this because it definitely looks a mess. So word to the wise, if you go ahead and do your baby hair and stuff like that, try to do it before you do your makeup, because once your makeup is done and you try to go in and do once your makeup is done and then you try to go in and do your baby hair, it's just gonna go ahead and have a mess going on your forehead, which is pretty much what I have going on right now. So yeah, it's gonna look better tomorrow once I go ahead and take this makeup off and then redo it. Tomorrow baby hair is already formed, so it's gonna just look super perfect, but you guys get the picture of how amazing this hair looks. Really, this is one of the most low maintenance wigs I've dealt with because it already came straight. I did go ahead and you know, go run over with the flat iron really quickly, just because you guys know with shipping and handling and all that stuff, it's not laid perfectly bone straight in the box, so of course it's gonna have a little bit of crimp and curl all around. So I did just go ahead and run the flat iron through it, and then you've pretty much seen everything else I did. Super quick, super simple, super easy. This wig isn't very dense, so I would definitely recommend this wig if you want to give your hair a break and you like your natural hair or the look of natural hair, but you just want to give your hair a break, or you want to give the big hair a break, which is sometimes a big relief. This will also look good down with like a regular center part or straight back or whatever you guys want to do, just for a straight simple look. If you're a mom and you know your kitty is into hair and wants to try a wig out, I would definitely do something like this where you're not introducing them to the big va-va-voom, and instead you're giving something that's very lightweight and easy to manage. Like when Dakota is late in high school, I'm pretty sure she's going to get the itch to try hair and wigs and things like that, especially because mommy does it. And the only pro that I can see too is that it will cut out the manipulation of her natural hair and allow her natural hair to breathe. So this is something that I would start her off with as far as wigs. Now if you're not into the wigs and you're into the weave, that's a different story. But if you are okay with your kids trying out the wigs, I would suggest something like this. So I have all the details in the description bar for you guys to check this one out. So I have this one in the description bar for you guys to check out. This again is from YS Wigs. Super beautiful. All the details are in the description bar. This is their 360 lace wig in the length 20 inches, bone straight, super beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, hit that bell button for notifications every time I upload. Also, don't forget I do have that $500 giveaway going on. Don't miss that. I also have a cookbook out if you guys are interested. I have that linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.